Hey babes, it's Mary. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this hairstyle inspired by Megan Thee Stallion. This is the longest braid that I've done. I know I've done braids in the past, so I know it's kind of repetitive, but I just like to make these videos just in case anyone ever asks, how did you make that particular braid? I want to have it up and ready for, you guys. So I did use the edge booster here to slick down my hair, but I ended up using the braiding jam and then put hairspray immediately on top. Normally I put the hairspray towards the end, but I was like, you know what, let me just put the hairspray now so the hair stays nice and slick and straight, and it worked actually perfectly. I used two scrunchies, and then yeah, as you can see, I'm adding in that hairspray in there, honey. Two scrunchies, and then I am going to be using this braiding hair. It's 96 inches. It is not pre-stretched and it is hard to work with. This hair is long as fuck. You might need some help just because, or just take your time, because if you don't take your time with this kind of hair, you can't braid really fast. You have to like go very slowly because the bottom will get tangled up. Okay, my love, so now I'm just taking that piece that I sectioned out earlier and wrapping it around the ponytail. I decided to use my natural hair instead of the fake hair because I didn't want it to be too bulky. Now I'm just going to set the hair with foam and hairspray, and then I'm separating that top section of the hair so it matches the thickness of the bottom, if that makes any sense. I took some scissors to get rid of some of the bulkiness of this hair because it's thick as fuck. And the last thing I'm going to do is just do this bang area and flatten it out. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Oh, and one more thing. I just wanted to mention that I'm doing a 30-day outfit challenge on my Instagram. So if you guys want to go check that out for inspiration, go ahead. And that's it, my loves. I hope everyone is doing okay mentally, physically, financially. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.